Hello, my name is Violeta Kovacev Nikolic, and I'm a mathematics instructor at College of the Canyons. So I will be sharing a few tips on how to study to learn. So, how to study to learn? Well, there are three main strategies that I will address here. First, get interested. Second, strive for mastery. Third, follow the study cycle. Well, how to get interested? Explore the course textbook. At the end of each lecture, there is usually a list of exercises, and some of these are about real-world applications. Determine which applications relate to your major or your areas of interest. That way, you can make the content more interesting and relevant for you. Why does it matter? Well, as Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, a distinguished Hungarian-American professor of psychology, says in one of his books, if we are interested in something, then we can focus. Vice versa, if we focus on something, then we get interested. Many of the things we find interesting are not so by nature, but because we took the trouble of paying attention to them. Therefore, if you make an effort, you can get more interested in the course, and when the topics are relevant for you, you can truly learn. Striving for mastery is another essential strategy. In general, you should strive for knowledge, deep understanding, and mastery of concepts. Do not focus on the grade. If you know the concepts, a good grade should follow. So how do we attain mastery? To attain mastery, we should follow the study cycle. It's a 5-step learning process that yields positive outcomes and success, as shown by extensive research. Educators and learning centers have been promoting this learning strategy for many years. So what is the study cycle? One possible choice of words describing the study cycle is the following one: prepare, engage, review, study, and reflect. So first, prepare for the lecture. This means flip through the book. Try to get the big picture. Read the section headings and subheadings. Observe the highlighted or boxed statements, theorems, definitions, main formulas, and look at the diagrams. It should not take more than 5 to 15 minutes of your time, and you should do it in the evening before the lecture or right before the lecture. Next, engage. Whether you are in a face-to-face or online class, try to be as active as possible. Get immersed and focus on the lecture. Listen to the speaker, whether it is an in-class or a video presentation. Take notes, write your questions, and ask. And then, review the lecture. Read your notes and try to fill in the gaps. Determine what it is that is still unclear. Spending just 10 to 15 minutes reviewing the same day when the lecture took place will significantly improve your retention. And then, study. The studying part is the crucial part. Have repeated study sessions. First, spend a couple of minutes setting the goal of the study session. Then study intensely and with focus for about 30 to 45 minutes. Read, think, connect ideas, solve problems, and practice. And then reward yourself by taking a 10 to 15 minutes long break. Grab a snack, talk with someone, move around, play a short game, and so on. After the break, briefly review what you just learned. You can summarize verbally, you can write a summary, or you can draw a concept map. And then start another study session and repeat until you have covered the entire lecture. Finally, reflect. Think of the learning process. What was most challenging? What needs improvement? Can you present this to the class or teach a peer? So altogether, these are the 5 steps of the study cycle. There are abundant resources on learning strategies and the study cycle. For example, consider resources provided by a nationally and internationally recognized expert in education, Dr. Sandra Yancey McGuire. Explore some of her books or videos. These are my complete references and sources of images. I wish you great success in your studies, and thank you for watching.